to support the demands put on today's voting, Speaker Sir. Printing and stationery, tourism, information technology. Speaker Sir, information technology, जे आज हर घर फायबर, जे concept begin चालू करपाचो जो concept Honorable CMन, Honorable Ministran सांगला, तो म्हाका दिसता हिंटरलँडान चालू केल्या बरें दिसता. हेजेर लक्ष घालपाचें कित्याक हिंटरलँडान प्रायवेट प्लेयर कोण येना. कित्याक देर इज कनेक्टिविटी जी आसता ही चड पयस आसता, घरांत चड पयस आसता आनी तेजे खातीर येना. सो आमचे सायडीन जे सांगेबाग, कुचऱ्याबाग, केपेबाग हांगाच्यान हर घर पावण्यार चालू करचो वेन एवर यू स्टार्टींग बिकॉज इन द सिटी ऑलरेडी देर इज इंटरनेट अवेलेबल. स्पीकर सर, आज हांव पळयता की गव्हर्मेंटाची ऑफिसांनी आतां जेन्ना रोहन बाब तेन्ना रेव्हेन्यू मिनिस्टर आसतना नंतर सगल्यो गोश्टी आतां ऑनलायन जाल्या, पूण नेटाचे कनेक्टिविटी तांकां खूब त्रास जाता. आनी हो नेट कनेक्टिविटी म्हाका दिसता आमचे ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर आयटीचो एक इशू आसा की यू शूड गिव नेट. नाजाल्यार कितें जाता स्पीकर सर, जो पर्पज सॉल्व करपाक आशिल्लो की तुजे रेजिडेंस सर्टिफिकेट ऑनलायन, बाकीचे सर्टिफिकेट ऑनलायन, सगळे ऑनलायन करपाचो हवेस जो घेतलेलो हो जर फुडें वचपाक जाय जाल्यार एक कनेक्टिविटी सारकी आसपाक जाय. नाल्यार एवरी टायम देर अ प्रॉब्लम विथ कनेक्टिविटी आनी लोकांक जे सुविधा मेळपाक जाय ती सुविधा वचना. आज पेमेंट्स एवरीथींग इज डन ऑनलायन through GBBN network or whatever the network what is there. पण हेजेर ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टरान लक्षान घालपा अजूनय कुडचड्यार हांव परतून म्हाका दिसता एक 4-5 लेटरां बरयल्या आसतलीं ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टराक आनी मिनिस्टर म्हाका सांगता रोखडोच करता म्हण. अजूनय कुडचड्यार 3 ऑफिसां म्हाका दिसता एक खंय तरी ओवरहेड करून दिलां, पूण बाकीची ऑफिसां अजूनय कनेक्ट जावना. सो गव्हर्मेंट ऑफिसां कनेक्ट जावना आनी फाटीं तेन्ना उरलेली तोच आयटी मिनिस्टर आसतना केल्ले, पूण मागीर तो नाशिल्लो. पूण आतां मातशें करून घेवचें. हांव एवरी टायम तेकाय लोकांनी जेन्ना येयला आमचे दरबाराक, जनता दरबाराक तेका सांगलेलें आसा. सो मातशें तें घेवन बेगिनाक करचें अशें विनंती करता. आज टोटल आमी जेन्ना उलयता जेन्ना प्रिंटींग आनी स्टेशनरी म्हाका दिसता खूब बरें काम करपाक लागल्या. आउटसोर्सींग हें प्रिंटींग आनी स्टेशनरीचें जें आसा बंद जालां ऑलमोस्ट. आनी स्वता कॅलेंडर प्रिंट करता, स्वता हें करता, इज अ गुड सायन. पूण आय फील दॅट यू ऑल टू हॅव द प्रिंटींग आनी स्टेशनरीचे बाकीचे भाग आसा जे लॉ छापता, लॉ बुक्स छापता, अपडेटेड बुक्स शूड बी मेड अवेलेबल एट अ कॉस्ट विच इज आय थिंक वेर पीपल कॅन बाय ऑनलायन. All services are there, but ultimately you require a hard copy, which I think you had a vision of making it available in all places. ते फुडें खंय वचोंकूच ना. म्हाका दिसता तेजेरूय तुवें लक्ष घालूंक पडटलें. ट्युरिजमाचे स्पीकर सर उलयता तेन्ना म्हाका दिसता आज खूब जाण उलयले. हांव इतलेंच मागता की देर इज अ लॉट ऑफ चेंज इन ट्युरिजम इन गोवा. I remember in 2005-06, Goa used to shut all 5-star hotels for 4 months from June, July, August, September. And there were no tourists coming in these months. Somehow that thing has changed today and we are almost a 365-year destination. But that time there used to be charter flights coming. Now those charter flights have also stopped. So I think we have to look into the angle, what is the reasons the charter flights have stopped. We have to try to get charter tourism back. We used to proudly say that we used to get 700, 800 charters coming to Goa in the past. Today, hardly anybody. So what is the reasons why it is? What is this? We will have to find. People have spoken, I will not repeat. They have said other charter agencies are ready to come. Some are shut down. But I think today with Daboli becoming a little free, you will be able to give better services, talking to the Union Minister to give some sort of relaxation for charter tourism and bringing charter tourism again. Speaker Sir, intentions of Honorable Minister to bring local festivals to the globe are plenty. चिकल कालो केलो, मागीर तुजो आमचे सांजेव केलो, मागीर सी फूड केले, सगळी गोष्टी ह्यो केल्यो. पूण म्हाका दिसता एक करता तेन्ना यू टू प्लॅन इन वेल इन एडवान्स. यू टू टेल द होल वर्ल्ड. हांवें पयर आमचे सी फूड फेस्टिवल करता तेन्ना मागीर कॅन्सील जालें. हांव नगो आतां पेमेंट जातलो जावचो तें म्हाका खबर ना. पूण वॉट आय एम सेइंग इज वी टू प्लॅन इन वेल इन एडवान्स, पॉप्युलरायज दीस फेस्टिवल्स टू एंटायर कंट्री, एंटायर वर्ल्ड, सो पीपल नो लायक अ डेस्टिनेशन. आतां यू गॉट 2000 आमचे आतां सेंट फ्रांसीस झेवियर एक्सपोजिशन. हायलायट दीस, टेक इट टू द वर्ल्ड, ब्रिंग दीस टायप ऑफ पीपल. स्पिरिच्युअल टुरिजम तुम्ही म्हणटा की गोंयान पीपल कम ओन्ली फॉर फन आनी बाकीच्यो गोश्ट्यो. पूण आय थिंक स्पिरिच्युअल टुरिजम ऑल्सो हॅज गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग. आमचे हें आसा, एटलीस्ट यू शूड टेक दीस फॉरवर्ड. स्पीकर सर, आज आमी रोड शो जेन्ना करता, म्हाका लक्षान आसा की रोड शो हांव वाचतालो, आन्सर खूब जाणां घातलेले की ट्युरिजमाच्या कावंटरान फक्त ट्युरिजमाचे एजंट बसता. आय थिंक यू शूड टेक other people like the hoteliers, travel agents, specialize them, give them the openings there, give this prevalence which you make to them at free of cost, so that they come at their cost and they also promote. This used to happen way back in the past. I don't know, lately everything has stopped by, and what is the reasons, I don't know, Sikha sir. But I think we should plan 1 year in advance. You cannot plan in 1 day or 15 days before and tell those fellows to come, because they are not government agencies. They are private agencies. They have to take permission. They have to do all those things and come back. So 1 year in advance, if you plan all your festivals all over the world, the Indian tourism, Goa has become a destination. A lot of Indian tourists come. You can decide on which to go. But I think everything has to be decided 1 year in advance and tell the industry people in Goa that please participate, take them on board so they can plan themselves also, Speaker sir. Speaker sir, Sanbanache Sadhya Uleta. Last time I have seen every year they speak, and last time Sanban Jata. Whether to help, have it or not have it, is a decision government has to take. It's a festival. Yes, it has got bads, goods, whatever is there, but goods are there. Bad should be removed, and it should be promoted well in advance. Last minute, we become government becomes High Court and Kala 2 disani Kal Sangla ki 2 disan permission dile government. So like these things should not happen. If it's going to happen, it's going to happen. If it's not going to happen, it's not going to happen. But let the positive attitude of not. I'm not saying that I am for Sanban. I've got no regards. But whichever festivals should be well in advance so that people all over the world are knowing that this festival is there. I know your Tomatian festival which happens with tomatoes. It is well done festival, well curated festival, and all over the world people go there in Spain to see this. I think this type of things you should take it forward. Tuje je chikal kalo tu kelo, maka loka goinche lok ashile thode. But how many tourists were there? What is that strength? So I'm not saying that it will not come. But to me, the promote kele, I'm sure, I remember that you will have to take this into a different direction. आज आम्ही पळयता की मोपा सगळे वयता आनी आय विल रिक्वेस्ट यू की मोपा जेन्ना खंयचे तरी बॅड वेदर जाता फ्लायटी बेंगलोर डायवर्ट जाता I think you'll have to take up with Honorable CM that we have 2 airports. They can be diverted this side, not to Bangalore or other state. It becomes a bad name. Having 2 airports, what's the use? It may be a military airport, but it is only in case of emergencies. So I think you'll have to see in that direction, Speaker sir. Speaker sir, a lifeguard, I remember way back when there were no lifeguards. खूप deaths जाताले. They have come to a standstill. At least 2 deaths जाले for various reasons. But Maka sir, they are doing a good job. But as Vijay said, that those were constructed then. आता तुवें चेंज करपाक जाय ते आमचे टावर आसा म्हणटा पळय लायफगार्ड टावर्स आनी बाकीचे ब्रिंग इन न्यू आयडियाज आनी टुडे मटेरियल इज अवेलेबल तेच लोखणाचे घातले स्पीकर सर आज मटेरियल इज अवेलेबल दॅट टायम मटेरियल्स आर नॉट अवेलेबल आय थिंक वी हॅव टू चेंज दॅट लूक ऑफ द लायफगार्ड गिव इट अ नायस लूक मेक इट प्रेझेंटेबल हे मातशें लक्ष घालपाक जाय आनी बीच क्लिनींग हांव केन्ना केन्ना वयतालो तुजो राजेश म्हूण आसा आनी कोण आसा तांकां डायरेक्ट फोन करता बिचीचेर कचरो म्हणजे एक सिक्रोनायजेशन ऑफ क्लिनींग आय डोंट नो नाव ऑनरेबल सीएम इज सेइंग दॅट एंटायर वील बी टेकन अप बाय वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट इट्स अ गुड सायन कित्याक अल्टिमेटली एक पंचायतीन 4 एजन्सी आहा एक टुरिजमाची एजन्सी आहा एक मागीर वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंटाची रोड सायड म्हूण आसा मागीर पंचायत म्हूण कलेक्ट करता मागीर स्कुलान म्हूण कलेक्ट करता सो आय थिंक इट्स बी सिक्रोनायज अल्टिमेटली पब्लीक मनी आनी आय एम शुअर दॅट ऑनरेबल सीएम एंड ऑल विथ इंटेन्शन्स ऑफ taking cleaning is going to happen. Speaker sir, there's a big talk. Digambar Babu ulayla, bakije ulayla about the new tourism bill which is going to come. We were there for the presentation, but unfortunately they changed after assembly. I don't know whether you will bring the bill or not bring the bill. But as rightly said, apprehensions of the people about this I have also expressed to you. I think we will have to take everybody into confidence and take it. But the idea behind the bill is good. I read the whole because I took a copy. But there are some things here and there I think we will have to look into it before introducing. And that is why we will have to talk to each other, especially the industry, and see how the things can go, Speaker sir. Speaker sir, चड उलयनासतना आनी 1-2 मिनटां उलयता आतांच चालू केला तूं आत्ता येयला स्पीकर सर आज आमी जेन्ना हे गोवा मायल्साचेर उलयता गोवा मायल्स I find that tourism hotels have a queue system. There are queue systems in other places, but there are just in the system itself. These people who are in near the hotels, for dominantly second generation, you can say, or third generation, if they come on the Goa Miles, they will be the first to go out from them. They will not come from outside. I think holistically you have to sit and convince them that they should come on board because they will come on board because the app is such that those people who are there, now they are complaining that somebody else comes and takes from them. I think somewhere we are not giving them the confidence. Tell them to come for 1 or 2 months and see what difference it makes to their booking, and then they can go ahead, because ultimately a app initially Ola, Uber, everywhere in the world, if you go everywhere in our country also Ola, Uber is there. The reason Ola, Uber was not brought here way back was, I think, because they should charge 30%, 20% from the taxi owners. Here the consumer pays 100 rupees to the taxi owner, nothing is taken from him. I think we have to focus on that, and somewhere the government has to step down and do this once and for all. Every time Goa Miles खंय तरी बंद करता आनी कितें करता, gives a bad name to them. I am not saying that they should not. They should be brought together and found a solution. And everywhere, I am not saying Goa Miles. You bring a app, even Goa Miles you bring on a government app. There is no problem. But whatever is there, there should be app visa system. Today, the younger generation want a taxi on the move. They cannot hold on to a taxi for 4 hours and 5 hours, pay 5,000 and 4,000. Taxi should be available as and when we go, wherever we go. This is how we should go. You can't get that system unless in Goa Miles. So, Speaker Sir, yes, फुडें वयता तेन्ना हितून सांगता की आज ऑनरेबल टुरिजम मिनिस्टरान आमचे कुडचड्यार कार्निवल कितलींच वर्सां चलतालो, पर्वरी चालू केलो. हांव तेजें कांय म्हणना, करूं पर्वरी करूं, खंय करता करूं. कुडचड्या फुडल्या वर्सा कार्निवल जावपाक जाय. इज माय रिस्पेक्टफूल टॉस, बिकॉज लास्ट 2 वर्सां 3 वर्सां कोवीड जाता तरी 1 वर्स जालें मागीर बंद पडलें. सो द कार्निवल वॉज बींग सेलिब्रेटेड एज अ स्टेट फेस्टिवल देर. कित्याक बंद करपाक जाय? तूं चालू करता न्यू चालू कर. आमकां मोर्जी वयलो, मोर्जी व्हरपाचें म्हाका कांय प्रॉब्लम ना. तूं मोर्जी व्हर मागीर आनी खंय व्हर, पूण एटलीस्ट द सेंटर्स वीच वर देर वीच वर ऑपरेटिंग हॅज टू कंटिन्यू. सो वाय आर यू स्टॉपिंग दॅट? स्पीकर सर, स्पीकर सर, म्हाका दिसता ह्यो गोश्टी तुवें लक्ष दवरून फुडें व्हरपाक जाय. आनी दिस इज वेर आय एम गोइंग टू इन्सिस्ट, आय एम गोइंग टू टेक अ एश्युरन्स फ्रॉम यू that it will happen next year, because I did not start it. It was much before me and it was going on for so many years. So what is the reason for stopping? I don't know, Speaker Sir. Speaker Sir, huh? No, it stopped because COVID. I told you, no, after COVID 2 years and it did not start, but it was operating for many years. So please start it again. Speaker Sir, last वयता तेन्ना इतलें सांगता की आज आमी जेन्ना उलयता की फॅमिली ट्रिप्स, फॅमिली ट्युरिजम, बरें ट्युरिजम येवपाक जाय. आमकां असो इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर जो आमी आसा, लोकांक गोंयान येतरी बाबा हांगा 4-5 दीस फॅमिली उरपाक जाय. बाकीच्यो गोश्टी म्हणल्यार खंय तरी ट्युरिजम डेस्टिनेशन जेन्ना जाता ताका फॅमिलीक एंटरटेनमेंट आसपाक जाय. आतां जे हे गोश्टी म्हाका दिसता ना फोकस करता. आय थिंक इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर गोंयान जर आमी वाडयलो, maybe PPP mode or whether the government spends, खंय तरी करूंक पडटलें. Today if you go to see, you come to Goa, 2 टेम्पला गेले, 2 देवळां गेले, 2 दीस गेले. फॅमिली टुरिजमाक कांयच ना. सो म्हाका दिसता यू हॅव टू टेक ऑन बोर्ड पीपल, टेक एवरीबडी हू इज ऑल्सो प्रमोटींग. यू हॅव सगळे आमचे जे जागे आसा जे फॅमिली टायप टुरिजम करता तांकां एक खातीर हाडून ते प्रमोट देम ऑल्सो. स्पीकर सो दे ऑल्सो गेट बेटर इन दॅट. सो चड टायम घेनासतना इतलेंच मागता की आज टुरिजमाचे सर्किटा भितर कुडचड्यारूय केपें जे हिंटरलँड म्हणटा आमी, जे ते बाग जो आसा, हो बागा भितर खुबशे गोश्टी, सेलावली डॅम आसा, आमचे बुडबुडे तेले आसा, अशे दूदसागर वॉटरफॉल आसा, खुबश्यो गोश्टी ते सायडीन आसा. हांकां हिंटरलँड सर्किटा भितर पयलो कॉन्सेप्ट आशिल्लो, पूण फुडें व्हरूंक ना. आमी फक्त बीच ट्युरिजम केलें म्हूण जावचें ना, हिंटरलँड ट्युरिजमूय प्रमोट करपाक जाय. आज खुबशे बारीक हॉटेलां आमचे हिंटरलँड येवपाक लागलेले आसा. खूब बरी 30 रुमाची 20 रुमाची हॉटेलां येवपाक लागल्या, नॉट ऑन 5 स्टार बेसीस बट बुटीक हॉटेल्स. आनी आय थिंक दिस इज द नेक्स्ट थिंग वी हॅव टू प्रमोट, बिकॉज टुडे आमी जर फॅमिली ट्युरिजम आनी प्रमोट करना जाल्यार फुडें वयचें ना. स्पीकर सर, हांव इतलेंच सांगयता, कित्याक दुसरें मागीर आनी एक उलोवपाचें, म्हाका इतलो टायम घेवपाचो ना. हांव एश्युरन्स इतलें सोदता की ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टरान इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर जे आमचे दिल्ले आसा, म्हाका दिसता 10 वर्सां जाल्यार 8 वर्सां परतू नोट घालता आनी मागीर मिनिस्टर म्हणटा की पयशे तशे ना म्हणटा, पेमेंट फाटीं तुवें केलें तेन्ना ते आजुनूय पेमेंट करूना म्हणटा. ह्यो गोश्टी ना सांगता. ते उरलेले 2-3 प्रोजेक्ट उरल्या पळय ते मातशे बेगीन घेवचे अशें रिक्वेस्ट करता आनी देव बरें करूं म्हणटा.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.